In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Bella Ciao from the show La Casa de Papel, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Soundbrenner for sponsoring this video. Right now, I'm wearing their core watch. It doesn't just tell time, but it also has a metronome that vibrates against your wrist so you can play in tempo. It also has a decibel reader, a tuner that you can apply to the back of your ukulele headstock, and it has SMS messaging capabilities. It's really amazing, and I think it's going to elevate your musicianship. So if you want to get your hands on this core watch, then check out the link in my description box below. There's also a coupon code, so you can have a discount on your next purchase. Alright, let's check out this tutorial together. Now to play Bella Ciao, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are D minor, A minor, and E7. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for this song is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the second fret. This is D minor. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is A minor. And the last chord for this song is E7. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the fourth string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the first string of the second fret. This is E7. Now we're going to learn the finger picking pattern for this entire song, and before we jump into that, I need to show you where to place your picking fingers on the strings. Your first finger is going to go on the fourth string. Your second finger is going to go on the third string. Your third finger is going to go on the second string, and your fourth finger is going to go on the first string. So it should look and sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now to play the finger picking pattern for this entire song, we're simply going to switch between the first string and a combination of the third, second, and first string. It should look and sound something like this. 4, combo, 4, combo, 4, combo, 4, combo. Let's play through that finger picking pattern now on the D minor chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, D minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the chord progressions for this song, and we're going to break it up into 3 sections. The first section is going to be for the intro and the instrumentals. The second section is going to be for the verses, and the third section is going to be for the outro. So the first section, which again is for the intro and the instrumentals, we're going to be playing E7 for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, back to E7 for 4 beats, and A minor for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, E7, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, E7, go. 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's apply the finger picking pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, E7, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, E7. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. Now the second section, which again is for the verses, we're going to be playing A minor for 16 beats, D minor for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, E7 for 4 beats, and back to A minor for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, A minor, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, D minor, go. 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, E7, 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's apply that chord progression with the finger picking pattern. 1, 2, A minor, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, D minor, 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, E7, 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the third section, which again is just for the outro, we're going to be playing D minor for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, E7 for 4 beats, and back to A minor for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, D minor, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, E7, 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's apply that chord progression with the finger picking pattern. 1, 2, D minor, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, E7, 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the finger picking pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Bella Ciao. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tutte le genti che passeranno, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Tutte le genti che passeranno mi diranno che bel fior, questo è il fiore del partigiano. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Questo è il fiore del partigiano morto per la libertà. Questo è il fiore del partigiano morto per la libertà. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Bella Ciao. And that's how you play Bella Ciao from the show La Casa de Papel. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial of what brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give special thanks to my friends at Flight Music, and again to my friends at Soundbrenner for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the UKNU community through the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free. It's available to all Apple and Android devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.